One of the reasons why people use Mendeley in their research and writing is its ability to create properly formatted citations and bibliographies. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Mendeley to effortlessly generate citations and bibliographies in your writing workflow. Mendeley works with Microsoft Word and LibreOffice. However, for the purpose of this video, I will only be showing you how Mendeley works with Microsoft Word. In terms of the number of citation styles available, there are over 9,500 citation styles. Most of them are based off actual journal citation styles, so you should be able to find the citation style you need. Mendeley works with Microsoft Word using a plugin, and I will show you how to install it later in the video. Please ensure that your Microsoft Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Excel are closed before installing the Mendeley plugin. Installing the Mendeley plugin is very easy. First, open up Mendeley, click on Tools, and select Install Microsoft Word plugin. To check the plugin is installed properly, open up your Microsoft Word, click on References, and you should see Mendeley Cite-O-Matic and the Mendeley functions. Citing using Mendeley is quite simple. First, make sure Mendeley and your Microsoft Word document are open. Next, select where you want to add the citation. I am using APA 7th edition for this demonstration. Once you have selected the location, click on the References ribbon and select Insert Citation. A pop-up will appear. Search for the reference you want to cite by searching for the author's name or the title of the reference. A filter will appear to help you narrow down the search for the reference you need. Select the reference you want to cite and press Enter. Your reference will be added. You will notice that the bibliography does not appear. Do not worry, I will show you how to add the bibliography later. You can also add more than one reference in a single citation. The steps are similar to adding a normal citation. First, select where you want to add the citation. Click on Insert Citation and a pop-up will appear. Search for the first reference, but instead of pressing Enter, search for the second reference. You can add as many references as you want. Once you are done, press Enter and the reference will be added. Deleting citations is also quite straightforward. All you need to do is to select the citation you want deleted by placing the cursor after the citation. Delete the citation by pressing backspace and your citation will be removed. Some of you may be asking, how do I add page numbers or remove the author's name? Do not worry, you can do that on Mendeley. Just a point to note, if your citation style does not require page numbers or removing the author's name, it will not be reflected in your Microsoft Word document. To add page numbers or remove the author's name, first select your citation in your Microsoft Word document. Go to References and click on Edit Citation and a pop-up will appear. Click on the reference that you want to edit and you can add page numbers or suppress the author. I am just going to add the page number to show that it works. Now, I am going to show you how to add the bibliography into your document. Typically, most people only do this when they are done with the first draft of their document. To add the bibliography, first select where you want to add the bibliography. The bibliography is usually on a new page, but for this demonstration, I will just add it at the end of this document. Click on References and select Insert Bibliography. Your bibliography will appear. Do note that the formatting is controlled by Microsoft Word. This means that the font size, color are all controlled by Microsoft Word. Sometimes, you need to change the citation style of your document. Changing style is not difficult in Mendeley. Click on References and you should see a drop-down menu called Style. You can then choose the style that you want. If the style you want is not listed, click on More Styles and a pop-up will appear. You can then select the citation style you need. If the citation style you need is not installed, click on the Get More Styles tab and then search for the citation style. Once you have found the citation style that you want, click on Install, go back to the Install tab, select Use this style on the citation style you need. For the purpose of this demonstration, I am going to just use IEEE. Finally, after you are done with your document and you are ready to submit it or send it to someone else, we highly recommend that you remove the Mendeley codes. This will prevent your Word document from being corrupted when someone edits the document and the Mendeley codes. To remove the Mendeley code, make sure you save a copy of the Word document first. Click on References, Export As, without Mendeley field. A pop-up will appear asking you to save the new Word document. Save that Word document and use this version for submission or to send it to someone else for editing. I hope that this video has shown you how to generate your citations and bibliographies using Mendeley. Please visit our Mendeley library guide if you want to know more about Mendeley. You can also email us at askalit@nus.edu.sg for assistance.